Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Attios CRM account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an admin or a team member into your Attios CRM account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an admin into your Attios CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different assistants or contractors, and maybe you want to add one of them into your Attios CRM to manage your customers and deal flow. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Attios dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Attios account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an admin into your Attios CRM, here on the top left, you're going to click on your workspace. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down, and there's actually two different ways you can do it. The first and easiest, you can click right here on invite members. Here you can go ahead and invite an admin. If you don't see that for some reason, you can click up here and then click on account settings. Once you click on account settings, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to click here on members and teams. Okay, either way, it's going to bring you here. So in order to add an admin or a team member, you have to send an invitation. So you want to click on this blue invite member button. Here you want to go ahead and enter in their email address. Next, you want to click here and adjust this to admin. Here, if you have other teams, you can go ahead and add them into a specific team, and then you want to click on send invite. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that admin has been invited. So they're not going to have access to my Attios account until they go into their email and accept that invitation. Once that happens, they would be added as an admin into my CRM account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin or a team member into your Attios CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.